to dive into the compact world of Sony's latest innovation? Introducing the Sony Xperia 5V, a phone that packs a punch in every department while staying true to Sony's legacy of excellence. Let's explore why this might just be your next favorite smartphone. Design and build. Sony has mastered minimalism with the Xperia 5V. It sports a sleek design with flat edges and a solid aluminum frame, all while maintaining a lightweight and premium feel. The phone is water and dust resistant, with an IP68 rating, making it perfect for durability enthusiasts. If you're all about compact phones, the Xperia 5V is as comfortable in the hand as it is powerful under the hood. Display. The Xperia 5V features a gorgeous 6.1-inch OLED display with Full HD Plus resolution. Expect stunning colors, deep blacks, and smooth visuals, thanks to a 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're binging Netflix or scrolling Instagram, this screen is built for pure viewing pleasure. Performance. Under the hood, the Xperia 5V is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, paired with 8GB of RAM. This means you can multitask effortlessly, play high-end games, and run demanding apps without breaking a sweat. And with Sony's efficient software optimizations, everything feels buttery smooth. Camera capabilities. Photography lovers, take note. The Xperia 5V comes with a dual camera setup featuring a 52MP primary sensor. It uses Sony's top-tier camera tech to deliver sharp, vibrant, and professional quality images. Low light photography? No problem. Plus, the advanced AI modes make it easy to get Instagram-worthy shots every time. And yes, you get 4K video recording, perfect for creators on the go. Battery life. Battery anxiety? Not anymore. The Xperia 5V boasts a 5000 mAh battery that comfortably lasts a day and a half on a single charge. And with fast charging support, you can juice up quickly when you're in a hurry. Software and features. Sony has streamlined its software experience with minimal bloatware and a clean UI. You'll also love the inclusion of features like a headphone jack and expandable storage, rare gems in modern smartphones. Plus, it's a creator's dream, offering apps optimized for professional photography and video editing. Pricing and competition. The Xperia 5V is priced competitively for the premium market. While it faces competition from the likes of the Galaxy S23 and Pixel 7, its compact design, exceptional display, and Sony's camera expertise make it stand out. It's perfect for users looking for power in a pocket-friendly size. Conclusion. So, is the Sony Xperia 5V worth it? If you're after a compact phone with cutting-edge features and exceptional cameras, this could be the one for you. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Would you pick the Xperia 5V as your next smartphone? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews from Phonova. See you in the next video.